episode of Goosehead Steve Talks About Insurance, where today, Goosehead Steve will talk about condo insurance. Hey guys, Goosehead Steve here with the Wave Agency, and today we're talking condo insurance. Now, whether you already own a condo or you're just thinking about buying one, it's incredibly important that you understand how condo insurance protects you. Now, when you buy a condo, you usually have to pay condo fees. One of the things that those fees go to pay for is the master condo policy that the association takes out, which typically covers the exterior of the building as well as any common areas. So when you get a condo insurance policy, a lot of people will sometimes refer to it as a studs in policy because it's literally what you're responsible for from the studs in. So the drywall, the flooring, the kitchen fixtures, and things like that. In addition, it will also cover your personal belongings in there, as well as give you liability coverage if somebody were to get hurt on your unit, and give you loss of use coverage, which is going to cover your living expenses if you're not able to stay in the condo due to a covered loss. Now, one extra coverage that many condo owners forget to add on, but is very important, is called loss assessment coverage. Now, like I said, your condo association has a master policy, but that master policy has limits. So in the event there was ever a claim and the master policy didn't have enough coverage to cover it, the condo association could then go to each of the condo owners and have them pay their portion of that balance. Typically, a normal condo policy will come with about $1,000 of loss assessment coverage. That's usually not enough. You usually want to look to increase that to probably at least $10,000. All right, so we've got the condo insurance figured out pretty well, but what happens if the condo that you're buying also requires flood insurance? Well, don't worry. Most of the time, if you're in a condo where it requires flood insurance, and in addition to that master insurance policy, they will take out a separate policy called a master condo flood policy. And that will give you enough coverage to satisfy your lender so that you can get your mortgage. Now, this does not mean that you can't get additional flood insurance if you don't feel like those limits are high enough. For instance, if you have a lot of contents in your unit and you want to make sure that's protected at a higher limit, you can definitely get higher amounts of flood insurance through your local insurance agent. While condo insurance policies all kind of share the same basic framework, every one of them is a little bit different in how things are covered. So it's important to work with a trusted local agent who can do the job of explaining those coverages and making sure you get what you need. Here at the Wave Agency, we work with condo insurance all the time. Not only that, we have access to dozens of A-rated insurance carriers to help make sure you get the best rate with the right coverage. Because after all, we shop and you save. So jump on the wave. Every house is in a flood zone.